Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. Finally, I got into filming this video, which is what I colored in December. Can you believe that? It's almost end of the February and I just now get into filming this video. I didn't manage to film this video sooner, so it is here now. So as first, I will start with the picture from Jana Prosvirina. As you can remember, we colored this picture on live stream. I didn't finish it on the live stream. I finished it later, not in front of the camera. And I was using only Ohuhu markers on the whole picture. I really like how these gifts turned out, especially this one. And this bow and this bow. The blending went really well on these. As you also know, I colored another one picture by Jana Prosvirina. It was the Christmas angel, but I gave it to my mom, so I will pop up the picture somewhere here. And I'm very happy how this one turned out. I have the whole color along on my channel, so if you are interested, you can check it out. Let's stay with Christmas pictures and let's look inside the Advent Calendar coloring book by Mei Yu. And I colored this Neko girl. I started this picture on live stream as well and finished it after the live stream. Yeah, as you can see, the Ohuhu markers went out of the line a little bit on her tail. But you know, I say that it's just fluffy. Yeah. Now, let's skip into something non-Christmassy. And let's look inside Witch Beauties by Sally Berry. So this is the first picture I colored. And yeah, I'm using only Ohuhu markers in this coloring book because they work just perfectly. And also I'm using RTX markers on the skin tone. But you can see these scratches which are made by the RTX markers. Yeah, because they have really hard tip. But overall, if you look from a little distance, I think this picture looks pretty nice. And I have another one, and it's this one. I really like this gothic style. When I started with the hair, I realized that I could do her as Wednesday, but it was a little bit late, so yeah, it doesn't matter. She doesn't have black hair, but I like this picture very much. Now let's get back to our holiday and Christmassy pictures. And next will be from the Holiday Mischief by Veronique Darnay. And I did 2 pages. Again, I used Ohuhu markers. Yeah, it seems that they are my favorite mediums right now, or back in December. Yeah, so here I was experimenting with water-based markers, but it didn't end well for the paper. You know, it's a little bit buckled here because I was trying the method when you use them as the watercolors, but it was a bad idea, so then I go with Ohuhu markers on top of it and I save the day, I hope. Yeah, and the next picture is this Christmas tree, and here I was just playing around, you know. Another Christmas page is this Merry Christmas picture from Coloring Heaven. And yeah, I love how the whole page turned out. Only one thing, I wanted more bright sign. At the end, it turned out pretty dark, but it still looks a little bit like gold, like this dark gold, especially on the big letters. And before we dig into Kerby's books, I will show you a picture from Astrology Cats by Jen Racine. I colored the Sagittarius, and again I tried to achieve some gold look on the bow and arrow. And yeah, I didn't do any bold background because sometimes it just looks much better, or I feel that it looks much better if you add only a few elements like the yellow dots around this flamey tail, or some of the sign symbols or stars. So I really like it like this. And also it's a cat, so it's pretty cute. And I will surely color more of these beautiful cats. Look at them. All right. Now for the Kerby's books, I was pretty active in December. I finished 3 pages. 1 page from Worlds Within Worlds, and I finished this snow globe. I will show you the background effect. I sprinkled a gold glitter spray on top of it, and maybe some silver as well. I'm not sure. No, it's pearl. It's a white pearl on it as well. Yeah. And some white dots with Posca or with some other acrylic pen. So what I did, I used Nia colors on the background, and then I wanted to use white Nia colors to do this bokeh effect, but somehow it didn't work. So I wanted to use white Prisma. It didn't work as well. So at the end, I tried this Lumocolor Permanent by Stedler. And yeah, they say that this works on every surface, and it really does. It's really helpful. The only thing is that you cannot smudge it, so the circles are not so blurred. And maybe I'm not sure if I managed how to use white Nia color somehow on the bottom part and on the right side, but I'm not sure now. I have the color along for this picture, so you can see it there if you are interested. And for the snow globe, I used polychromos pencils. At first, I started with this part with the water, I started to make it blue, but then just this image flashed in my mind, so I erased it and I did it as lava. Alright, next 2 pictures are from the Fragile World, and I did... Yeah, alright, let's start with this one. So I did this leopard page. I didn't expect that all the flames will turned out so good. Well, maybe except those. I just wanted to do something different than a snowy landscape. Also, I wanted to express how fragile this world really is. And it's similar what I'm doing with this page, which is unfinished, and this is total opposite. And here we have the red panda in this snowy land, and yeah, it is supposed to be all frozen. That's why the page is all blue. So I need to do some pencil work with the panda as well and with all this snow. So I hope it will turn out somehow nice. I will show you this page like this because of the light reflection from my lamp. So here you can see the true colors, and I used Kuretake Gansai Tambi on the background for both pages and polychromos on top of it on the leopard. And I'm not sure what I used on the flames. I know that I used like white Posca, and I guess I used polychromos as well, but maybe I used Prismas. I don't know. You can see it in my coloring tutorial as well. These pictures are from December, so I don't remember every detail. Yeah, but I try really hard. Finally, the last page is this double page with these pangolins, and I tried to achieve this avatar look with glowing leaves and branches. And yeah, I guess I achieved that avatar style. I'm really happy how it turned out. And on this page, I used Nia colors for the background and Prismas on the rest of the picture. Also some white Posca dots. And also what was really helpful, especially with these purple leaves was the white ink, where I covered the whole leaves with the white ink, and that's exactly what I did on the green leaves as well. And then I went on top of it with a pencil. I think that the white ink worked a little bit better than Posca. Posca just leaves the straight lines, so you can end up with this result, which is not very pleasant. Yeah, but it doesn't matter, it's okay for this. And here you can see the difference when I applied the white ink as the base layer and when I did not. So the difference is really big. I used the ink here as well, here on these two. So guys, let me know in the comments what do you think about my finished pages. I hope I will get into filming the January finished pages soon, so you will not have to wait 2.5 months again. Until then, have a beautiful day, and I hope I will see you in the next video or live stream. Thank you very much for watching, and bye!